Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13366 Class 3 trailer hitch installed on a 2020 Volkswagen Atlas. Begin by locating the attachment points and the access point on the rear passenger side frame rail and make sure the CM-SP6 spacers fit into the access hole. To install the hardware, use the supplied fishwire tool. To do this, insert the coiled end of the fishwire into the rearmost attachment hole and carefully guide it out through the foremost access hole. Then, place a CM-SP6 spacer over the coiled end of the fishwire and insert the spacer into the access hole and into the frame. Next, thread an included 1/2-inch carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fishwire, and then insert the head of the carriage bolt into the access hole and into the frame. If the carriage bolt won't fit into the access hole, use a utility knife to cut away some underbody coating around the access hole. Pull on the opposite end of the fishwire at the rearmost attachment hole, pulling the carriage bolt through the frame, into the spacer, and down through the rearmost attachment hole. Leave the fishwire attached. Repeat the fishwire process for the foremost attachment hole. Continue by repeating the same hardware installation using the included 1/2-inch carriage bolt, CM-SP6 spacers, and fish wires on the driver's side frame rail. Now, raise the hitch into position. It's useful to have a second set of hands when lifting the hitch. Guide the hanging fish wires from the installed frame hardware through the side plate attachment holes on the hitch. Make the hardware pass through the side plate attachment points, then carefully remove the fish wires while holding the hitch in place. Use the included 1/2-inch hex flange nuts to fasten the hitch to the frame hardware. Once all the flange nuts are installed, torque all hardware to the exact value specified in your included instruction sheet. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your new trailer hitch. Don't forget to install the custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.